Hi everyone, I have a Hobby Lobby haul, and every week I tell myself I don't need to go to Hobby Lobby this weekend. I got enough stuff, I don't need to go, and you know I'm still going, but today was only one store. So I'll show you some things that I got. Still all clearance. So they had these unicorn charms for $1.49. And you got 6 of them, and I just used a blue one, which is like this, because I just finished my unicorn journal, and I'll be making a video on that shortly. That one was a lot of fun to make, so I got that, and I was psyched because I found this tulle ribbon. Let me see if I have something dark to show you. See if it'll go on my phone like this. It is beautiful. It's a light pink, and it's got all iridescent chunks of glitter in it, like blues and pinks and yellows and greens. Too bad you can't really tell, but it is absolutely beautiful, and it matched my journal like you wouldn't believe. I love when that happens. Perfect. And it was 99 cents, and it was already opened. I don't care. It was just absolutely beautiful. And it looks like that. Like when I might have seen this before, actually, and looking at it like that, I don't think I was too crazy about it. I don't know why. It's beautiful, but I was so happy I picked that up. And I got this in white for 99 cents. These are going to be great to close my journals with, because I've been using laces now instead of grommets and stuff. I just think a thick lace looks, a thick ribbon looks really nice on a journal closure, and it's got all those little wrinkles in it. I showed you I had the blue one, I had the brown one recently, and it had that like red iridescent in it. So I don't know if this will have any iridescent. It doesn't seem to, but that will be a good one. I think I got 2 of them. Yes, for 99 cents I did. I got 2. I can't believe these are still around. The other Hobby Lobby I go to hardly has any left, but this one did. I got it in silver, and a good friend of mine requested me to make a couple of journals for Christmas gifts to her in-laws, and she picked silver paisley fabric, so this silver will go perfect with that. I had to get it. I couldn't believe it. Getting all these matches. This is a brown. I got it just in case for fall. You know, I'm not too crazy about it, but just in case I need it. I also got another red lace for 99 because Christmas. I want to stock up on that. I make recipe journals, and all mine sold, and I have a lot of recipe cards left to use, but these never go on sale. I never see them on sale, and these were 99, regular $2.99, so I bought the 3 of them. I never see them go on sale, so I picked those up. I'm making another coffee journal because mine sold. And of course, today was a good day because I was seeing all things that I needed. You know, these are, oh my God, I just noticed. Look, there's like lipstick right there. Right where the cup is, where the spout is. I didn't even notice that. That is so funny. I wonder what was here. But I have coffee beans already. And oh my God, this will be great for charms for that journal. So it says half and half, but coffee first. This looks like a little, what is this, one of those sugar things? I don't even know. I just can't get over that lipstick spot. That is so funny. So I picked that up. I got more ribbon. Here's like it's not as white as I want, but you don't know. I could use it for tassels too. It's like a very shiny material. Kind of like a reddish color. I got this in pink. I got more black. They had more. 74 cents. I got this cute one for 74 cents. It's just like a kind kind of blue with white dots. Oh, mint. I got this purple sparkly. That'll be good for tassels. I picked up this blue just because I don't have anything dark like this in case I need it. Like, I was thinking of the future. When I make things, I might need it. And this is pretty. This is Cancun green. Looks like a teal. Really pretty. For 39 cents, I found this neon floss. It's a pink. And I thought this would be good in, like, I just did that unicorn journal, but this would have been good to string it up with using this. So if I ever use a colorful journal, make another colorful journal, I can use this for the, to sew the pages in. And it was 39 cents. So I got the two they had. Almost done. I found more of this, which I love. We all have this. It's this one and then the purple. So I saw this one, the pink, and I grabbed it because I love that. And you know, I can't believe they still had any more. I got this little lace piece. Let's look at it. I'll take it out of the bag. This was $1.79, but I thought it was very pretty. It's like a goldish material. So I picked that up. I picked this up. I love this stuff. And it's like let's say you're going to make an embellishment box or something. This would be so cute to put around the box. You know, I love ribbon like this for that type of thing. Or if you're going to make a little valance or something, like the shaker thing I made in one of the swaps. It was a scene we had to make. And I made it like it was the, you know, you were looking outside from the house. And it was like a little, this would be so cute for a valance. I love stuff like this. I even told my husband, if you see anything like this for Christmas, that's what I like. I want to stock up more on that. And was there one more piece? Was there something else here? No, I guess not. Just these two. That's it. All right, so that was my haul this past weekend. I don't want to go back next week, so let's see what happens. I don't know. So thanks for watching. Happy crafting, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.